Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everyone. Today we're making a super simple, easy blueberry corn pancake recipe. And if you're wondering why we're putting corn, or cornmeal actually, in the pancakes, it's because it's the perfect pancake for summer. So, as always, all the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. Alright, like I said, this is going to be a super simple recipe. So first thing we're going to do is mix a whole bunch of dry ingredients together. We have flour, cornmeal, baking powder, and salt. Alright, we're going to set this aside. Grab a lemon, because we're going to need 2 teaspoons of grated lemon zest. Every time I grate a lemon, I always think of Starburst. I don't know if that was the only flavor I got when I was a kid, but that's always what I think of. It smells just like it. Alright, now we're going to combine all of the wet ingredients. So we have our soy milk right here. We're going to throw in our maple syrup, our oil. You can use any mild oil, canola, vegetable, whatever you got. Our vanilla extract. And we're going to add our lemon zest. And don't forget your water, which I almost did. Alright, we're going to add that to our dry mixture. Now we are just going to stir this until it's all combined. Not going to over stir it, because then it can become tough, from what I've been told. And then we're going to fold in our blueberries. But before you do that, get a non-stick pan and put it on a medium-high heat. Fun fact! Believe it or not, there are 4 days celebrating pancakes. The first of which is National Blueberry Pancake Day, which is very apt for today, which falls on January 28th. The second is Pancake Day, which is Shrove or Fat Tuesday, and it always falls 47 days before Easter Sunday. The next one is IHOP's National Pancake Day, which benefits charities. Sadly, their pancakes are not vegan, but that always falls on a Tuesday in February or March. And finally, there's National Pancake Day, which falls on September 26th every year. I don't know about you, but I feel like this is a little too thin, so I'm a little worried. I'm going to stir this a little bit more. Maybe this flour and corn mixture will mix a little bit more. Probably should have done this before I put in the blueberries. I don't know, y'all. This is making me really nervous. This is not a typical pancake batter. It is very watery. I just can't see it doing what it needs to do in the pan. But we'll see. If that's the case, I might remake this. I'm going to spray our pan with a little bit of oil. And we're going to grab a 1/4 cup of this mixture and just stick it right in the pan. And we're going to heat this until it starts bubbling on the top and gets brown on the bottom. About 4 minutes on this side. It's supposed to be just slightly firm to the touch, which it is. Alright, let's see if our second one's a little bit better. It worked, but I'm surprised. Alright, let's try it. So, I have a lot of things to say about this recipe. But first, I'm gonna try it. I did put maple syrup on there. Didn't mention anything about it, but they're freaking pancakes. You gotta put maple syrup on them. I'm a fan. You get little bitty tastes of the corn every now and then. The texture is not grainy by any means, but you can feel the grit a little bit, just a little bit. And the blueberries are good in it. I will have to say, this is very interesting to put together because unless you're like really careful about where you put the blueberries when you put it in the pan, they're gonna be all lopsided and weird, and they don't really deflate too much, but you know, they're good. They're a little messy. Kids will probably love these because of that. It's great with maple syrup. Let's see if I can try some without it. Yeah, it's a good recipe. I was really scared, I have to say. It seemed really liquidy, Maybe you shouldn't put the water in there. I don't know. But they turned out fine. The only tip I would give you is with the blueberries. Maybe you should smash them a little bit before you mix them all up. That's the only thing I can think of. Otherwise, you gotta babysit them in the pan. So yeah, all in all, these were good pancakes. I would recommend them. They are very summery, I will have to say. So I hope you liked what you saw today. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. Make sure to subscribe and share and comment and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time.